Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Welcome, welcome. A little bit of a live stream today because I got a meeting today. It's a very important meeting. It's actually one of my favorite meetings. It's a meeting with my dad. We're getting lunch. And, and then after that, I'm on daddy duty watching my kids. So today we're going to actually work on the animations and the death sequence and the ragdoll physics. Hopefully, we'll get to all this for our enemy. So let's go ahead and set the mood. Welcome, welcome. How are we doing? How are we doing? Good, good. All right. Let's set the mood. 'Cause it's early morning. All right. You guys ready? Get going. Probably won't be talking much today, guys. Alright, we're gonna go to this pistol pickup and we're just gonna change the graphic to be the correct model, which is the Luger. Somewhere up here. Hold on. Maybe I spelled it wrong. There it is, okay. And it's going to be the blend file. There it is. Good. We're just going to rotate it -90. I'm going to scale it probably about like that. Basically what I'm doing is I'm making all of the weapon pickups look pretty, okay? So these are all of my weapon pickups here. And I want to be able to see what they are, but I also don't want them to be too big either, or too small. So it's kind of a balance here. We don't need these particle emitters or anything like that. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Welcome, Signed. Welcome, Sven. Thanks for joining us, guys. Like I said, guys, we're going to try and make a little bit more progress than we usually make. So I'm not going to be as active in the chat today. I'm going to be a little bit more mature with how I'm going about this. Okay. We want our box colliders to be pretty big for collecting weapons. So about like that. Let's go ahead and hit play here. Take a look. What's that sound? There's just a weird sound playing. I don't know what it is. Okay, good. So we've got our rifle rotating. I was wondering why that wasn't rotating earlier. It's rotating in the wrong direction, but we want it to rotate and sort of float like that. See? All right. So the way we're going to fix this is we're actually going to go to... Well, let's get all of our weapons looking perfect first, okay? The shotgun here, we're going to scale up pretty big. Just like that. There we go. The axe. Pretty sure you start with the axe by default in the game. But we'll have an axe pickup just in case, okay? Let's scale it up just a little bit here. That. And I want my rotate object script. I want that to be, let's see here. Yeah, I want to be able to rotate along specific axes. It might be the barrels, yeah. I am early today. I'm very early today. I've been starting my day a lot earlier lately, guys. How many of you have seen those YouTube videos where it's like, waking up early will change your life? And you think it's BS. It's like, why does that matter? But I started waking up earlier, just a little bit. Guys, I got into a really bad habit of waking up really late, like 8 o'clock, 8:30, and I would immediately get to work. And that's just stressful to me. I guess the older you get, the more it becomes a requirement for you to get up a little bit earlier, you know? So anyway, I started getting up earlier, and now my day's just, I'm ready to go, ready to start streaming a lot earlier. But also I have a meeting today with my dad. Let's take a look at these guns. So that shotgun's a little too big. Pistol could be a little bit smaller. Okay. So let's just scale these down just a little bit. The rifle's a little bit too big. But I got my workout in today already. And what's funny is when you wake up early, you don't. In your head, you're like, there's no way. There is no way I'm going to be okay. At least for me. There is no way I'm going to be okay. And then 20 minutes into the workout, you're like, I'm ready to go. And so, all right. The pistol, yeah, the pistol was a little bit too big. Okay, now let's take a look at the item pickups. And by the way, guys, all these items are going to appear slowly throughout the game. They're not going to all be here. Let's take a look here. Shotgun looks good. The rifle, pretty long, isn't it? Yeah, okay. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and create an empty game object. This is going to be called the rotator. It's going to be 0. It's going to be 1, 1, 1. Okay, and it's actually going to be, honestly, or let's call it pivot, pickup, pivot. It's probably going to be a prefab. Why not? Because we're going to use it a lot. So I'm going to just drag this in here. There we go. Mike, too early for you? I'm sorry. And then we're gonna put the Luger inside of it. And what we wanna do is position the Luger inside of it so that it rotates perfectly. Yeah, that's great, okay? So let's add the rotate object. And we're gonna do 25 and we're gonna see what happens here. Okay. So it's rotating along the Z-axis. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that script. And we're going to do transform that up. This song is so pretty. Oh, man. Oh, gosh. I think I used this in one of my videos. I used it in my bouncy ball video. Good, okay. Alright, so they're rotating. That's good news. Good. Obviously, rotating pretty fast. Alright, let's copy this component really quick and we're going to remove it. We're going to go into the pickup pivot and we're going to paste this component, see? And it's going to be, how about 2? So here's why we're doing this. Now we have the pickup pivot, and it automatically now has the rotate object script on it. That's always good news. And we can do the same thing here. So the MP40 is not going to rotate now. We're going to remove that. All we do is we bring in the pickup pivot. Drag it in here. Sorry, this song makes me think about my daughter. So we'll just move this back a little bit right here and then rotate it. rotate it like that. Alright, let's take a look at how that one looks. Good. Alright. I like it. Alright. So we can use that same mentality for everything. This song is so good. Good grief. Put the shotgun in there. And it'll rotate now. What I like to do is just rotate it here to make sure it's... Whoa, stop. Ah! Looks like we've got some weird scaling issues. This is going to be 1, 1, 1, 1. There we go. This needs to be... Wait. This needs to be 2, 2, 2. There we go. Alright. Strange issues there. That's okay. Whatevs. There we go. Alright. So, the shotgun pivot, you'll notice it's rotating more along the trigger here. So we want to bring it forward here. And now it should rotate like this, which is exactly what we want. Okay, save it out. That looks good. I'm not even going to test it. I know that it's going to look fine. That's fine. And then pick up pivot, drag that in, put that in here. This is going to rotate weird. Okay. So what we do is first off we zero it inside of the pickup pivot and then pull it over just a little bit, like right here maybe. And this is what it's going to look like as it rotates. Yeah, we don't want that. Move it over just a little bit here. Obviously you could solve this with, Blender, change its origin point, but that looks fine to me actually. And we could drop it down just a little bit. Also what I'm going to do with the pickup pivot is I'm going to add some flares and glares. Stuff that you would see in like Castlevania 64. So I'll show you how we're going to do that in just a sec here, guys. Let's check on the chat, make sure everybody's happy. You guys getting lag? I mean, should be fine. Guys, welcome Pepe. We always say hi to Pepe because Pepe is one of my loyalist stream followers. He's always in the chat. And sorry guys, there are no promo codes available for full-time game dev today. No promo codes available. I will let you know when those open up. Okay, so this rifle's wrong. Ah, yes. So this needs to be 2 by 2 by 2. Or honestly, it just needs to be 1 by 1 by 1. And then the rifle in here needs to be 2 by 2 by 2. And then you drag the actual pickup box. There we go. Now, pick up pivot. Drag that in. Drag the rifle into the pickup pivot. And then pull the rifle back. And now it's going to rotate right along the center there. And that's what we want. Good. Okay, so is everything going to rotate just fine? Vladslav says, Thomas, why are you not streaming on your second channel? That is because my second channel, I did some research and it looks like I didn't need to do that. So I might post some other stuff on there. I don't know. Okay, the rifle still seems a little bit big. We could make the, this a little bit bigger though. Alright, and this does not have a pivot pickup, so we need to, let's see here, let's double check something. Yep, we got a weird issue with scaling as well here, so this needs to be 1 by 1 by 1. This needs to be 1, or maybe honestly 2 by 2 by 2. Good, okay, and then we just drag this in. And it should pivot just fine, actually. Let's see here. Yeah, it'll rotate. So we'll shift it over just a little bit. Just like that. And also we just want to make the pickup box A little bit bigger. See? Let's double check, guys. So we need to watch out for the Nephilim. Alright, guys. So the weapons feel a lot more classic now. Love this. Where's my axe? I already had an axe. That's fine. Am I missing any weapons? Okay. So I think everything's good. One of the things that I'm struggling with though is some of these are not 111 on their route. Yeah, so we really need to be fixing that. 1 by 1 by 1, and then this is gonna be 2 by 2 by 2. There we go. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I really like my parent objects to be clean, and right now, okay, the only thing left is the Luger here. So the parent pickup is 1 by 1 by 1, and then we actually could change the size of the Luger down. We're getting some weird rotation. When you have scaling like that for the parent, you get weird rotation and skewing and stuff. So let's take a look here. How's everything look? Okay, looks like the shotgun pickup volume is a little low. Yeah, it is. Okay. What's the pickup volume for that? 2. Okay, so this needs to be 2. That's 2. That's 2. That's 2. That's 2. 2. Okay, good. Oh, the gravity gun. I was wondering, I have more weapons than that. And some of you might be thinking, Thomas, you know, Call of Duty has 20 weapons. And there's different, you know, you get American weapons and then you get German weapons. And my thought there is, well, they have a $20 million budget. So this is what we've got, you know, and that's okay. Totally okay to just have a small gem of a game, because we're not trying to make back $20 million, guys. That's what who made Call of Duty? Is it EA? I don't know. They're trying to make back $20 million. I want to make $1 million off this game, so that's kind of where my budget is. Vladslav, I am saving my streams. They're just unlisted, but there's a public playlist on my channel. It's called Father Live Streams. So you can watch all of them. There we go. And then we're just going to take this pivot point right here. And also, guys, we're going to be changing this gravity gun sound one more time. Because Hector, the sound designer, he created some more sounds for us. Good morning, Chris. How are you? Let's welcome Chris. All right, we got our gravity gun. Alright, guns are looking really good. We got some things we gotta fix for the gravity gun, but other than that, the guns are looking really, really good. Alright, I want to show you guys how we're gonna create a flare. Alright, so we're gonna go into Photoshop here. I'm gonna create a new file, and for the purposes of this flare, I think 500 pixels by 500 pixels is just fine. We want to replicate the same type of flare you would get from, well, they're in all of my games, honestly, but the inspiration comes actually from one of my favorite games. Let me turn this music down just a little bit. The inspiration actually comes from what's considered one of the worst N64 games, which I consider one of the best N64 games. And it's not because I'm a contrarian. Just like Hook, I loved that piece of art. Hook's a great movie, and I loved Hook growing up. And the reason I'm talking about Hook is because Hook is considered one of, like by Rotten Tomatoes, it's considered one of Spielberg's worst movies. And the same is true with Castlevania. And I think one of the reasons with Castlevania 64, justifiably so, one of the reasons why it's considered one of the worst movies or games. Ooh. Wow, that's beautiful. That music, wow. Give me a sec. Isn't that pretty? Man, sounds like a Chopin. No, the reason Castlevania got poor marks is because, well, it wasn't a Metroidvania. It wasn't a Castlevania. It wasn't classically Castlevania. But if it was called something else, like Vampire Killer, probably would have done okay and gotten pretty good reviews. Same reason why The Village is considered a bad movie. It's like, well, it's about the predecessor and maybe just how it compares to its cousins and sisters. All right, so let's go ahead and just go to our textures in the our textures folder, and we're gonna just put this in other, and this is gonna be called flare. Okay, there's the flare. Now the flare is gonna be yeah. I feel like the flare should be, we're gonna create our own little particle system, okay? And it's literally gonna be one particle that has a lifetime of 99999, okay? Okay, there we go. No speed. Max particles, 1. Emission, 1. And it's going to be that flare. There it is. We're going to drag it onto the particle system. There it is. We're going to make sure that the shader is proper. Particles standard, good, okay. And then it's going to be, wait. Transparent. Additive. We got to make sure we set the proper alpha is transparency. Let's try that. Nope. Let's double check something here. Fade? Yeah, there it is, fade. Okay. Honestly, if I can get away with using particles mobile, let's go to mobile, particles, additive. Yeah, that's what I want to do. The start position is going to be, wow, this music is just getting me. Sorry. Okay, there it is. And all it does, guys, is it has a rotation over time. Yes. Yep. And we're also doing size over lifetime. I'd really want it to pulse. Ah, yes. We could do something like... I think I have an idea. We could add an animator to it, so it goes... like that. That makes sense? So there's our particle system. And all we're going to do is create an animation. Let's open up our animator window. Good. All right, we're going to create a new animation here in an animation folder. And this is just going to be in the other folder. And this is going to be flare pulse. Okay. I don't think that it needs to be, let's see here. Yeah, I'm fine with the scale actually being 111 and then it just pulses. So we start with, you know, 111. And then at about half a second, it goes up to 1.3, 1.3, and then 1.3. Guys, why did I use a particle? Because I want it to always face the camera. See? Always. And, you know, there's different ways of doing that. But for me, this is fine. Hope that makes sense. Let's try this. There's going to be 0 here, actually. And then it pulses in. So we're going to do that. We're going to wait. And we're going to do 2 of that. That's all we're going to do here. Might be getting a little too big, but... Alright, that's good enough for now. So this is going to be called flare. And I'm going to just drag it into... actually, we're going to make a prefab out of it. Sorry, just looking at the chat, guys. Making sure everybody's happy. Thanks for everybody joining us today. Wow, we have 276 people watching. That's awesome. Thanks for joining me, guys. It really means a lot. I'm feeling particularly small today, but in a good way. You guys know what I mean? Where the world is big and you feel small, and but it's like a good thing. It's kind of like looking at a waterfall, or like standing on top of a mountain. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this flare. I'm going to delete it. And here, let me show you something. All I got to do is go into the pivot pickup prefab, and then 0 out this flare inside of it. See? And now every weapon is going to have this flare in it. And I don't want to delay. It should pulse too, you know, so we have this animator attached to it. Let's double check something. Yeah, it should loop too. So let's hit play. Yep. So obviously we're going to have those be more random, and we're going to position them better. Good. Hi, Aflinen. We're careful with the spamming, buddy. Usually when people spam, I ban them forever, so careful. Alright, so the flare, yeah, the flare is something I've been doing for a long time. This sort of... But the problem is, I really want it to appear in front of everything. How do I do that? Does anybody know? How do I have this appear in front of everything? Well, I guess in front of this. Forever, yes. Z index? Isn't that a 2D thing? The errors aren't for me to fix. I'm waiting for AJ to fix those. It's in the render settings of the particles. Okay. Render alignment. Spacing. Velocity. No, world. No, okay, we don't want to worry about alignment yet. It's not that. It's sort order in layers. Hmm. Higher order, maybe? Oh, now he's gone. Where'd he go? Not sure. Let's double check. He just disappeared. I think I know what I'm gonna do. I got it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the rifle pickup here. Let's go to our flare. And what we're gonna do is actually we're gonna make this have soft edges, soft-sided. What is it called? So if we go to particles here, standard unlit, and it's soft particles, and then the near fade and the far fade. Oh, we're gonna get it. Oh, come on. Is that how we can do it? Maybe. Let's see. No. Sort mode? Someone tell me the answer. I don't want to use a second camera for this stuff, man. I want it to appear. Yeah. Yeah, so what we'll do is, I guess we're just gonna have multiple ones. That's what we're gonna do, okay? So let's go back in time. And we'll just paste them all over, like this, right? Let's try that out. All right, one at a tip here. Okay, let's try that. And obviously this is gonna look bad. I promise you it'll look bad, but just hold your horses. Good. Yeah, okay. All right, so how do we make it not look bad? Well, we go to our flare here, and we add on a script called random animator speed with a low of 0.3 and a high of 1.5. Good. Now the rotation is a little slow. So let's speed that up, and we could also, hey, you know, we could make it random between two constants. We could do 360 and then negative 360. See? So now they should be random. Yep, there we go. There we go. What did I tell you guys? Always listen to your daddy. Good. Alright, particles don't disappear for some reason. Why is that? I think we need to put them inside the rifle, which sucks, you know. Hold on. Demo weapon. So it's picking up something. What's going on here? It's finding the renderer in the children and disabling it. So we need to change that script. Okay, on trigger, enter player weapon controller is okay. Other game controller. Enable object is false. Ah. Okay, it's in the pickup script. See, what did I tell you? For each mesh renderer, get component to children, and then it disables them. Okay. Which is fine, I guess. So I wonder if we could do this. For each particle system, and that's going to be P. And then P dot enabled. Why am I getting this? What? Oh. And then P dot. We got a problem here. What is this? Particle system does not contain. Ah, yes. So what we need to do is we need to say emitting is emitting equals false. Can we do that? Nope. Ah, what about this? P dot transform dot game object dot set active false. Okay. So we could try that. I think we're gonna get some null reference exceptions, but whatever. I mean, obviously not whatever. But honestly, I just wish we could just disable an entire object. That's what I wish. Let's take a look. Good. Good. Good, okay. All right, so that works. AJ is probably not gonna be happy with that, but I think that's fine for now. The next thing I wanna do is go to all of my weapons here. And for the knife pickup, what we're gonna do is just okay. So we're just gonna put one right here. We could probably want to put one here. And then one down here as well, guys. Okay. And remember, those have random they have random speeds and rotations, so it's gonna look really really random and really pretty. So same with the rifle. We're just gonna take this and paste one over here. And paste one up here as well. Okay. Alright, same is true for this guy. Maybe we could do two here. Maybe one down here. Good. One right there as well. Okay. One here. So we go to our rocket launcher now. And let's just take one of the flares here. Move it to the tip, and then move it down here as well. And then one to the back, huh? There we go. Save that, and then the MP40 as well. And I think we need to do one for the gravity gun after this. Once we get these weapon pickups completed, I'm also going to add a few sound effects that Hector sent us so that things feel a little bit more alive with the guns. We need a empty chamber sound. There's the gravity gun. We'll just add some flares to that as well. Okay, let's hit play. Whoops. Good. Now the point of this, guys, is so that the player notices it. So that they don't miss, oh, there's a weapon over there. I'm gonna go get that weapon, right? And we can use this for a lot of things. Ammo, all sorts. And believe it or not, I can actually use this to kill this guy. Give me you. Almost. I got a lot of work to do on these enemies. There we go. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so we got a few sounds that we're gonna add. The first, Hector. I don't think Hector's with us right now. I think he's at work, but we should have a trigger sound. But we're gonna use a gravity gun misfire sound that Hector sent us. That's our misfire sound for the gravity gun. The reason why we want this is if the player clicks on anything other than something that can be selected, it needs to have a misfire sound. All right, so we're just gonna download this. And then we also have a new gravity gun hold sound, but he's still working on that, so we're not going to add that in. But we're going to go to our sound manager here. And if we go to our gravity gun, you can see we have 2 sounds available. We can add that third one, which is going to be gravity gun misfire. This one right here. I'm going to open that up. And I kind of want it to be quicker. So something that is important with sounds, especially when the player is producing a sound, you want it to happen immediately. The moment they click their mouse, you want it to instantly happen. And so if you've noticed anything, the brunt, and you can hear it right here. There we go. That's what I think it should be. So sorry to stop calling me. Holy mackerel. All right, save that out. And we're going to open it up in Unity. All right, so if we go to our sound manager right here, you guys will see that we can now add this new misfire sound that's a little bit quicker, okay? There it is. And then what we do is we go to our gravity gun, which is right here. That's right here. And we can double click on it or go inside of the prefab. And if you actually click on it, no, yeah, it's right here. You got to go to the actual gravity gun. Okay, so we have the option for empty ammo. There we go. So we do general, or sorry, gravity gun, and then it should be right here. Misfire. All right, let's hit play and just make sure. Whoops, I think I screwed it up. Let's go ahead and collect it really quick. I think I screwed it up though. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I screwed it up for some reason. For some reason it's not playing the sound. Yeah, I don't know. Not gonna worry about it. Alright, and then we have some updated trench gun sounds as well. I'm not gonna worry about that because there are updates that AJ, the coder, is gonna be working on for me. I can't put a finger on why. I don't even know the beginning of why that's not playing. Yeah, I couldn't tell you. Yeah, I'm not worried about it. But, you know, I wonder if there are some trigger sounds. Let's see here. Trigger. Empty. Let's go to the trench gun. The new sounds for the trench gun sent to us from Hector. And we're just going to update those. Those sounds, the new ones that Hector sent me, do not include any sounds sampled from YouTube videos, which is what the original one was, because I think he was just trying to get it perfect. But we want to make sure that we're not going to get sued. So all of the sounds, we're going to put them inside of the trench gun folder here. And we're going to do trench gun sounds version 3. Save them in there. Good. Unzip it. Good. And nice. And we'll probably work on some screen shake today if we have some time. That actually isn't that hard because Cinemachine comes with a profile available to us for screen shakes, just like you know, shooting a gun, etc. We're gonna go to our shotgun here, And you'll notice we have all these sounds here, but we need to update them. Okay, so we're gonna go to our sound manager. And let's go to our, let's see here. Trench gun. And you can see we have 5 sounds here. Let's go to version 3. There it is. And we're gonna put 1, 2, 3, whoops, 3, 4, 5. There's a lot of other sounds in there that are pretty cool. I'm gonna open up this sound for now, and I'm gonna use this tail end of the audio for all of my no ammo sound effects, okay? Okay, just for now. I believe Hector's gonna create one for us, but this is gonna be just a generic sound. And this is gonna be just trigger. No ammo. That's gonna what it's gonna be called, okay? Now, all these sounds are gonna be compressed, so we'll compress them down in just a sec. But what I wanna do is I wanna go to my sound manager. And inside my sound manager, we're gonna have some clips here. And we're gonna create one called generic weapon sounds, okay? And we're gonna drag that up here. And there's only gonna be one currently, and that is ooh. Actually, we're gonna just have it in there, in that generic or general, and then we're gonna go to gun get here. We're gonna yes. Okay, here we go. Trigger no ammo. Okay. Now, if we go to our shotgun here, you'll notice that we have empty ammo sound. And we can go to general here, and then we can go to trigger no ammo. So let's see if that works with the shotgun. If it works with the shotgun, then we can apply that to all of the other guns as well. So there's the shotgun. You guys can't see, but the ammo's down there. It's not playing. Wait. Whoa. Okay, we got an issue here. I believe it is going to be in the... Let's take a look here. Go to our shotgun. Let's take a look at the issue here. So it's going to play this trigger no ammo sound effect. And it's going to be in the weapon script. So let's open up the weapon script and take a look here. It's going to play a sound. Ah, yes. Okay, there we go. About right here. There's the shoot sounds. So it's playing a sound. This is interesting. Run no animation. No ammo animation. So you would think that there would be a sound effect being played in there. So the sound effect is being played from somewhere. Let's see here. Empty ammo sound. So where's that being played? Let's double check. We're gonna find it. Let's try and find where that's being used and figure out what the problem is here. Why did they change how we find things? Oh gosh, that's annoying. That is super annoying. Why did they change that? Search, find. Find in files. Okay. Demo weapon. It's occurring in demo weapon. feel like it's this. Let's remove that and see what happens. By the way, let's go to our SFX manager and take a look at play clip from source. Okay, it's one shot. And there's also a delay. Okay. 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 I think that'll do it. Let's try that out. Shock. Oh, there it is. Get the shot. There it is. Okay. Whoa, buddy. There we go. Yeah, honestly, what we should be doing is it shouldn't be inside the demo weapon script. It should really be inside the weapon script, because all weapons are going to have a no ammo. This no ammo part here, run no ammo animation. So I'm going to actually move it. Hope AJ's doesn't mind. It's going to be right here. If no ammo. Wait. Empty ammo. Yeah. If empty ammo sound dot count. Well, crap. Let's take a look here. Let's go to our. I don't want to ruin his code too much. Let's go to the gravity gun. If you guys can remember, the gravity gun wasn't playing a empty ammo sound. This. So, it's not really. I see. Let's take a look here. Demo gravity gun. I see. It's a little bit different here. Okay. I see. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll just request. I'm really interested in this code. It's really good. I'm interested in seeing if I can get him to. Okay, yeah, we'll see if we can figure that out later. All right, go ahead and enter play mode here. All right, we got all of our weapons working. I kind of want to get the ammo boxes looking pretty. As you guys are probably aware, I like to bounce around from element to element in my games. So, hey, let's go to the animation or the asset store here, and let's see if we have an ammo box, prefab or assets. Ammo boxes. Ammo crates, $5. Kind of like them to be old school looking. We have different kinds here. Here, I'll show it to you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm not sure what that was, but thank you. All right, let's take a look and see. What I'm looking for is ammo for 3, let's see here, rockets, shotgun shells, machine gun ammo, pistol ammo, rifle ammo. So really only about 5 boxes. Yeah. So it could be as simple as just having a single crate. Yeah. And it's labeled something. I want the ability to have different colors though. So maybe I could just type in like crate. Let's see if there's free ones. There it is. Look at this. I've used this one before. And I like this one, actually. So we're going to open this in Unity. Okay. The download could not be completed. Try again. Why? How about you? How about you tell me why before you insult me like this? I need to do a restart. Sorry, I need to add a calendar event. Me and AJ are going to meet about a few items that are not working in this game. And I am looking forward to talking with him. He is a wonderful person. If you haven't followed AJ, guys, he's one of my favorite people on earth. He's a really good man, smart. So follow AJ below using the link in the description. Let's try it again. You effer! Okay, let's save this. Exit Unity mode. We're gonna save everything. Let's open up Unity again. How's everybody doing in the chat? The messy coder says. Did you say you effort, Thomas? Absolutely, I did. Failed to load window layout. You effer. Again. Load default layout. Fine. Whatever. Whatever. Stop it. I gotta put this up my nose. Ugh. Allergies are really bad. The pollen in South Carolina is unbelievable right now. Hey guys, let's welcome AJ. AJ's in the chat. AJ, say hello. Ugh. Yeah, AJ, something that I need if you want to add it to your list is... By the way, AJ, we could talk about this if this is going over your budget. Just, dude, let me know and we'll send me a quote and I'll pay you. Because I really would like... Sorry, my nose is leaking. It's not gross. It's saline spray. You guys know me. I like to be, I guess, just be myself. And being myself means my nose is leaking. No, AJ, the gravity gun I want, and when you when you click and you're not on an object that you can suck, I want it to go bloop, bloop. So I want it to play the empty ammo sound. So I was looking at it and I'm not sure where I would put that. So anyway, I thought I'd let you know. But anyway, guys, let's go into Unity and try and double check low default. Unity, I'm gonna blow your brains out. I'm gonna shoot you in the head. What in the world? Where did you go? Stop. 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 Unity. And I was at peace. I was at peace this morning. I was relaxed. Drinking some coffee. And then Unity decided to be a bumpkin. Uh-oh, is that an offensive term? I gotta be careful. What is that? An unsophisticated or socially awkward person from the countryside. Okay, so me. Alright. Well, it doesn't offend me. You gotta be careful with what you say these days, guys. We're gonna try and open this up again. Oh, it's gotta... Ugh. What? You son of a bee. Layout. Okay, we gotta just rearrange our layout. I don't know why it opens up two. Whatever. So hopefully this will be okay. Okay, good. We're good. Alright. So what I like to do is put my hierarchy over here, my console below my hierarchy, my project over here. And then I like to set it to one column layout. Actually, two column layout, but shrink the size. There we go. And then go one column layout. That's fine. Now let's go to our rifle pickup here. There it is. Okay, what were we working on? Oh yeah. We were working on ammo. So we're gonna go back to the D asset store. Jeez, I'm crow. There it is, ammo box. Gimme. The download request has been sent. Please wait for the download to start. All right. Unity decided to submit to my authority. Good. Jeez. Yeah. Lampoogle or whatever your name is, you said there's a project called Cool Game in my Unity hub. That was for a short that I created for Unity. Okay, ammo box. We're gonna slam the ammo box into the asset dump. And there it is. Cool, so now we have this ammo box here. So what I'm gonna do is actually just go to, and by the way, AJ, if you're still with us, we're tweaking your ammo system or your ammo graphics. I believe it's this one. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna go to ammo box here. Yep. Scale it up. Is that it, huh? Is that really it? It doesn't look like it should be. Really, I want the parent to be 1. Yeah. And then I'll scale the graphics on the inside. So the geometry, this is one of my particularities, AJ. I like the geometry to be scaled, but not the parent. Personally, just personally. Okay, we're gonna do a 2 by 2 by 2. We'll zero this out. Yeah. And I guess this should have a rigid body. I'm not gonna worry about it right now though. It's hard to know, AJ, it's hard to know what you should have and what you shouldn't have. But I love how versatile this game kit is. It's really great. We'll zero this out too. It's really versatile, so you did a great job. Round of applause to AJ for creating an awesome first-person shooter kit. Hi, Tahidin. Welcome. Bob Millen says, hi, Thomas. Good morning. I'm eating an omelet.
I gotta tell you, this is just crazy, huh? This is just nuts, okay? Jeez, oh man.
I love omelets, so I am just, whoa. Love omelets. So I am giving you one of my favorite sound effects. Point no filter, hit apply. Look, now it's crispy and crunch. You like that? You guys want to go harder, crunchy? Let's crispify even harder. Oh, just crunching up good. These objects here, cool. So those can open and whatnot, but I'm not gonna worry too much about that. The normal map needs to be crunchified too, so we're gonna crunch that down, and we're gonna go to point no filter, hit apply. There we go. Okay. Now, there's a problem, my friends. When I drag this ammo box, I want it to be snappy snap on the ground, okay? So where is it? There it is. Okay, there it is. Let's select it and see what happens. I want to drag it and I want it to appear. Yep, so it needs to be at 0.5 positioning in the Y. No, it needs to be, here's what we'll do. We're gonna copy this and then we're gonna paste it up. I want it to be perfectly on the ground. Why am I saying this, guys? Because I want to be able to just drag things and they just fit perfectly on the terrain. And also when they appear, hopefully we can position them appropriately. Now, that collider is a little weird. So 0.6. Okay. So there is this giant ammo box here. How does it look? We want to be able to see it. So let's see. Go to 1920 by 1080. There we go. A little small. And I can't collect it for some reason. Huh. I'm not quite sure why. I think it's because it's because I don't have any guns. I think that's what it is. We're gonna make this bigger. It's about like this and then this. And then obviously, you know, you set this to 2. Let's see if that helps. Cool. So this is our generic ammo crate. So let's go get some ammo or some weapons and see if it actually works. Oh, we need to add the click sounds. Okay, good. I got the ammo. Nope, it didn't work. What? Weapon. Universal ammo. I really... Yeah, is it... Hey, AJ, can I make it so that you can't collect ammo until you get the weapon? I'm confused there. Well, first off, okay. Yeah, I guess I'm confused. Collection option. I want it to be is universal ammo for now. You can't collect ammo with an axe, but did you notice I collected the ammo with a shotgun or with a pistol, and I had a shotgun, but it was shotgun ammo. Did you see that? So I guess I'm confused. All right, let's see if we can find a. For now, that's the sound effect we're going to use for the ammo. And by the way, AJ, it's no big deal. I don't think. Okay, so universal ammo. So if I go over here, and then I select this, I got 3,000. Whoa, that was weird. $999 errors, that's right. Okay, so the ammo seems fine. So we're gonna come up with 3 ammo types, all right, or 5 ammo types. This is gonna be ammo box generic. You know, it really universal is probably a better word. Ender says it looks like you're you need to add the stairs tag, but you're ignoring it like a responsible adult. You know what? You're absolutely right. Let's add that. Stairs. Sorry. I think that's gonna solve a ton of problems. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you, Ender. All right. Good. All right. So what we're gonna do is we've got universal ammo here. All right. Let's drag that in, and it's gonna be a prefab variant. So that's our universal ammo box. Okay. Now let me show you how we're gonna do this, guys. We're gonna create several textures that are PSDs, okay? So this is a TGA, which I hate and I despise, and I think anybody who does that is a fool. It needs to be a PSD, okay? So we're gonna save this as a PSD. And this is gonna be called Ammo Box Universal, okay? Now let me show you something. This is gonna be fun. I'm actually gonna make this look pixelated inside of Photoshop, and the reason why is anytime I have lettering or words or symbols, I really need control over the pixelation, and it's really hard to compress those in Unity and have it look pretty, or have it even legible. And it's definitely important that it's legible, because I want people to be able to see, oh, this is this ammo and that's that ammo. So hopefully that'll make sense. So I'm gonna go to Pixelate here. I'm gonna go to Mosaic. And we're gonna go just enough. Yep. Now, one thing I want to do here is actually get rid of this though. So I'm gonna go to this. I'm gonna fill these in. Edit, fill. There we go. And then we're gonna mosaic those. We'll make these darker. Image, adjustment, darken. So it's not actually pixel art because you can see here we've got some messed up pieces here. So the way we fix that is we just drag it down. There we go. All right, so that's our universal box. So let's see how it looks first. Go into Unity. And what we do is we have this material here. This is ammo box. We're gonna call this ammo box universal. And it's gonna be a toon shader. So it's just basic, or toon lit. There we go. I don't really want a bump map or a normal map. All right, here's our universal ammo. Looking good. So watch this. Ammo box universal. I'm gonna drag in ammo box universal. Good. Now, I can actually go into the Photoshop file here. And because we want this to be a game that has very little localization, what is localization? It's just changing languages. I'm going to ensure that everything uses logos. So I'm going to use noun project here. And we're just going to type in ammo. Okay. So we're just going to use these three here. And we're going to put them over top. Because I'm a good person, I'm going to make sure it's perfectly legible. So I'm going to copy this. Copy, paste, stop it. And what I'm going to do is actually just take this, copy that. Stop it. Copy. I'm going to freak out. Ooh, we don't want Thomas to freak out. Let's quit Photoshop. We're getting some bugginess. So as you can see, that's the ideal, right? But we want it to be pixelated. So here's what we're gonna do. Hi guys. Yeah, we'll center it. Appreciate that. Schwartz says, I would respect Thomas more if there wasn't an apple at the top left-hand corner. Really? That is an interesting mindset. Okay, but I love you. But it is an interesting mindset. Okay, anyway. So one of the things is I want these planks on the top here to not exist. So what I'm going to do is actually take this. Actually, Thomas, all you say is actually. And I'm going to stretch them down. Actually, like this. Actually. And then I'm going to do that pixelate thing again. Whoops. Mosaic. Okay, so far so good. Guys, it's not going to look great. Just hold on. It's not going to look great just yet. Okay, drop it down. And then what we're going to do is take this. And I do want the bars. I like the bars. They're kind of cool. All right. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some noise. Okay? A lot of noise. I'll show you. Ton of noise. Like this. Then I'm going to scale that up like crazy. Trust me, guys. Have I not proven over and over that you should trust me? Okay? And then we're going to do a mosaic. Noise or pixelate mosaic. And then drop it down. We got some pixelated texture here. And then we just cut it. There we go. Maybe it needs to be overlay. Where is it? Yep, overlay. Save it, and then let's take a look. There we go. All right. As you can see, we've got a few issues here. It looks like... Yeah, looks like we need to Okay. Okay, so here's what we'll do. We're gonna take all this stuff here, merge it together, and we're gonna fade out the edges. So that, yep. Here we go. Save that. Better. Okay. Alright, we have an ammo box now. Looks pretty cool. I think that, yeah, that's fine. Now, the ammo here, I don't think you can mosaic it. You can, okay, good. And then scale it up a little bit. Yeah. Save it, see? Yep, good, okay, so we can perfectly see it. Let's go to play mode and take a look. So you can see it's just a universal ammo box. I like that. Okay, that's universal. Now let's go ahead and just create a few more textures for our various ammo types, okay? Maybe scale that down just a little bit. Center it up. Okay. Is white good? And this should be orange. Excuse me. Good, okay. Because orange is like the generic go-to color. And then this is gonna be black. Okay? Save it out. All right. Let's take a look here. I think it should be yellow. Because if everything's orange, you're just gonna get distracted. So I really feel strongly that it should be. Let's do some tests. What feels good? Yeah, yellow works for me. Okay, that's universal ammo. That's fine for now. Then this one's gonna be ammo box, pistol. Pistol's gonna be a squashed box. A little, well, let's see here. Mother fudge. Type in pistol here. Very simplistic pistol. There we go. And we're gonna do our best to try and make this, you know, a smaller box maybe, or a square box or something. So this is gonna be, I can't imagine we're gonna use universal. So I feel like pistol should be brown. I just don't think we're going to use that universal ammo box ever. So let me just do some tests here. I know I'm going back and forth here, guys, but that's just game dev. That's what happens. There's pistol. Okay, so that's our pistol. Let's exit play mode, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to copy this and move it over, and this is going to be ammo box pistol. Okay. Okay, and just drop it down from, there it is, pistol. Okay, it is not universal ammo. And then we're going to duplicate this with Command D or Control D if you're on a PC. And we're just going to type in ammo box pistol. And we're going to drag in that pistol ammo. Now, we go to our ammo box here. Go to our ammo box, almost there. I see, okay. And we're gonna drag in our ammo box pistol to both of these objects. There we go. And remember, you want to make sure that when you go to your both of these need to be point no filter for one, and then we could probably crank them down a little bit, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit more. Hey, let's go even smaller. Okay, let's try that out. So there's our pistol ammo. Okay, that needs to be white. It needs to look like white spray paint. That's official. Yep. And do something like this. Yeah, I think you're right. Gustav, I think you're right. I think you're right. So there is officially going to be a no universal ammo box. Okay, universal ammo is going to be something only for game dev. You're right. Good thinking. Players going to be confused. So here's what we're going to do. Ammo box universal, we're going to duplicate that. And this is going to be called pistol. Let's delete the pistol. We're going to delete both of these here. Okay? Ammo box universal is going to be pretty much only for me in testing out the game, all right? So I'm going to put in an infinity sign. Infinite. How do you spell infinity? What? That's how you spell infinity. Okay, good. All right. Yeah, we'll just put an infinity sign right here. And it's just for me. Okay? Save that out. And it's going to be black. Just black. Save that. All right, that's universal. Okay? So there's infinity ammo right there. Now, this is for another day. We don't need it now. But actually, let's select it here. Okay, good. That's good. All right, now let's focus on the actual ammo that the player is going to be using. So the first type is... Gotta be careful here, guys. You want to be really careful here with... And by the way, let's create a prefab out of this really quick so we don't forget. Ammo box, prefab for you. So first off, we're going to drag... the ammo box. This is going to be ammo box pistol. Okay. We're almost there, guys. Ammo box pistol is this. Good. And then I'm going to double click on it, and here's what we're going to do. Yeah. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to have one bullet. I think, is that a good way to do it? Okay, let's do this together. What do we think the symbol for a pistol ammo should be? A pistol? No, I don't think so. Short and round. Thank you. Great idea. Very good idea. So that's a great idea. So we're going to turn off the mosaic. We're going to rasterize this. And we're going to shrink this down. And then pistol. So there's pistol ammo right here. Okay. I think that works. What do you guys think? That's our pistol. Save that. Good. Now the truth is, if it were me, I would probably want my pistol ammo to be like a little bit smaller. Yeah. Good. And just in a brown box. Okay. Brown box, good. Let's try that. Okay. And it's super... Why is it so pixelated? What just happened? Convert that to a smart object. There we go. And scale it up. And obviously, if we go to the actual, let's go back up to 256. Hit apply. There we go. And then scale it down. Maybe just one. Okay. We could try that. That might be a good idea. Just one bullet. Save it. Yeah, that feels more like a pistol. Pistol ammo, and obviously brown. And you know, you could probably get away with painting it orange. Let's try that. It looks like a grenade. That looks kind of like a rocket. It does look like a rocket now. It does kind of look like a rocket. Let's type in bullet. Yeah, a pistol bullet. It's not gonna look like a rifle bullet, obviously. So, yes, that's like the rifle bullet. So a pistol bullet would be rounded, correct? That looks like a shell. Like a mortar or something. I think what we had is probably best. For those of you who are saying put a bullet near the near a pistol, the problem with that is then it gets too complicated. You want things to be really simplistic. Why? Why can't I edit undo? Yeah, that's not for me. Putting too much together at once confuses me. We're gonna do this rounded bullet. Okay. Orange. Save. Skinnier. Okay. Bigger. Skinnier and bigger. Pixelate. Save. Alright. That'll do donkey. Alright, that's for pistols. We're going to copy this and we're going to paste it on over. We're going to create another one, and this is going to be for automatics. Well, actually, let's do the rifle. Create a prefab variant out of it. Okay, and this is going to be, you know, how about like a green box? And then we're gonna go ahead and just create. Actually, rifle feels. This looks like. Well, let's just type in rifle here, or bullet. So this is more of a bullet. Or, and it, why? There we go. It needs to be pretty obvious that it is a... Yeah. That's about it right there. Yeah. They're like this. There we go. Okay. And we're gonna do a single shot. Like that. I actually like white. I don't like that orange, so we're gonna go to our... We make sure we save this properly. Yeah, this is gonna be rifle. Okay. White is actually, I think, preferred. Mosaic here, good. Save it. Go back into Unity here. And this, I don't want it to be white. I want it to be, or I don't want it to be orange. I want it to be white. Okay. So there's our pistol. Here's our rifle ammo. Let's duplicate this. There we go. Rifle. Drag in the rifle here. I do want it to be point no filter. Hit apply. So this is our rifle. Kind of want it up here so I can see it better. And we'll just drag in the rifle. There it is. Okay. So there's our rifle ammo. Let's pixelate that a little bit more. Save it. Good, okay. So there's our rifle. There's our pistol. The pistol ammo looks a little bit more like automatic, doesn't it? It just does. I just feel like it would be smarter to just... Let's see. We're gonna figure this out together, guys. It's nice to see everything next to itself. Rifle, it's fine. Pistol ammo. Pistol ammo shouldn't be in a box like that. It should be on a cube. It should be on a cube. Alright, I figured it out. Alright, ammo. It should be, yeah. We're gonna go to free assets here. We've got 23 free assets on the asset store. So the crate is more for like bigger weapons, right? And then you've got just boxes here, which are gonna be, let's take a look. Shells. Yeah. Let's see what's included. Okay, it's just boxes and ammunition. I kind of like it, so we're gonna do that. Open those in Unity. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have crates for things like rifles and big ammo. And then for smaller things like pistols The pistol and the MP40 will be like boxes. Things like rifles, high power weapons. Oh, and shotguns will be in boxes as well. Shotgun shells are in boxes. Okay? And shotgun is always red. I don't know why, but it's always red. So we imported that, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. We're going to create a new folder. Call it ammo. Pull the ammo box here. There we go. This is really the crates. And then there was that other one. What was it called? Gas ammo. Drag it into ammo. This is going to be boxes and shells. Okay. All right. So this is officially the automatic. Okay, that's going to be the automatic. Yeah, okay, so that's officially automatic. Meaning, we're going to duplicate this and put it over here. This, delete. And then what we do is we take this. Okay, this is officially the automatic one. It needs to just be obvious to the player. Like, yes, this is automatic ammo. No doubt in my mind. Okay. All right. Distribute those evenly. Ammo box. Pistol is fine. We're going to exit out of it, though, and then we're going to go into Unity and rename it in Unity. Ammo box. Why didn't it save? It didn't import for some reason. What's going on? Whoa. It's like not saving properly. Whoa, it saved in my documents. Oh, weird. Okay. That's very strange. I don't understand, but whatever. Ammo. Crates. There we go. Replace. Son of a... It's just so dumb. Okay. Save it that way. Alright. Alright, this is officially the ammo crate for ammo box. Automatic. Okay. That's automatic. And make sure we set it as such. The amount is going to be something like 10 or maybe 50. 50 is good. This is the rifle. That actually makes sense. To me, that's a rifle ammo and that's automatic. I'm cool with that. Then what we do is we go to our... well, we could do one more as well. We could do rockets. So let's type in explosion. There we go. And this will be red. Or maybe orange. Yeah. Red. Okay. Ammo box explosion. That was the wrong name. But you guys get the idea. So what we're going to do is copy this, paste it on over. And this is going to be called ammo box rocket launcher. Okay. We're going to set it to rocket launcher, and it's going to be pickup of about 3. Okay. So we have crates and then boxes. That's about how we're going to do this. Okay. Let's go to our crates here. We have this explosion. We don't want to call it explosion. We want to call it rockets. Okay. Duplicate. Rockets. Then we just drag that in. Alright, rocket launcher is right here. Good. And then all you do is you just drag that new material into the... right here. See? Wait. There we go. There's our rocket launcher ammo. Okay, so let's take a look at all of them, guys. Ready? So these are the more intense weapons right here. Automatic, rifle, rockets. Now, obviously, guys, what you do with the rocket launcher... oops, let's hit apply. Yep, with the rocket launcher, what you can do is, first off, you know, you can make it bigger. So, something like this. That's the rocket launcher. And then, you can do something like this even. You could have the lid lifted. Like this. There we go. And then you could, make sure we turn it around, you know. Have the lid lifted. And then what you do is you go to, remember we downloaded those boxes and shells? We have these prefabs. Let's see here. Yep. And then you can just put this inside of it. Where is it? Where the F is it? It should be a sleeve. For some reason it's not showing up. Maybe I need to do one by one by one. Where is it? Where's the F in sleeve? Oh, it's tiny boy. We need to really make this boy bigger. There we go. So we have this huge rocket. I mean, come on, Thomas. Don't be an idiot, though. Type in rocket. Rocket projectile. There it is. There we go. Rocket. Go back. And then you delete the actual projectile. It's where, yep. All we want is the graphic here. We don't want the trail effect or anything. We're gonna just unpack it a little bit here. There we go. By the way, guys, for those of you who are just joining us, we don't have any promo codes today for full-time game dev. We don't have any of those available for today. Sorry, but we do have free game kits. So if you want a free game kit today, click the link below to get the free game kit. It's my 2D game kit that I used to make a game for PewDiePie. So click below to get that game kit. And use it however you like. However you want to use it, I'm totally down for you to use it. I made a game with it in 14 days and played it for PewDiePie, with PewDiePie in front of his audience. So that was really cool. All right. So the rockets are going to be sticking out there. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? Something like that. They're a little big, aren't they? Good. Maybe we'll show 3 and that'll be how many you collect. Okay, you know? Pretty sure I'm gonna listen to this music for the rest of my life. Okay. Let's take a look here. All right. So there's our rockets. Pretty cool, huh? So you can collect those. Hopefully those will all disable when you collect them. That looks great. The rifle box, the automatic ammo should definitely be smaller because it's an MP40. It's not as powerful. So something like that. Make sure it's the right one. Yep. And so we'll just apply that. And these are going to be rotating just like the guns. And I'll show you how we're going to do that in a sec, guys. How's everybody doing in the chat? I haven't said anything to you guys. Okay. I'm looking at the chat, and several of you are going to get immediately banned for the rest of... Seriously, like, you won't be able to participate ever again. So I'm about to ban you, so if you don't stop, I'm going to ban you. And all I've got 3 seconds to stop. Everybody stop. Okay, because your name is Law, you are now a mod. Okay, Law. If you want to ban somebody, feel free. But I would recommend you don't ban anybody who said sorry. Okay, and Ender, have some fun. Okay. All right, thanks guys. Sorry about that. I was just enjoying my life, and then I turn around, and you know, I've got World War III in the chat. What can I say? I get lost and caught up in my imagination. All right, so far things are looking pretty good. These crates, man, gotta love them. All right. Remember that pivot we created, guys? Remember that thing? Pick up pivot? Well, we put the ammo box inside of the pickup pivot, which is going to be, you know, unpacked. And then you pop it in there. Stop it. What's going on? Stop it. Wow, okay. And we also have these flares, which, if you remember, are like right here. One right here. Right here. One right here. And then one right here. Yeah, let's take a look. I do wonder if this is going to work. Alright, and these will all be elevated. Yes, we're about to do that, Born Stellar. Alright, ammo is rotating in place. The shines are a bit bright, but overall, very good. Okay. So hopefully we can collect all this ammo here. Okay, I got that, and I got those. Awesome. And it works. Those get blasted so far away. Oh man, Law is getting fierce. Is Law being a tyrant already? Law says, Unity Game Maker.
Ask again, and you'll be my first ban, homie.
What did Unity Game Maker say? This is so much fun. I love watching you guys. Oh, I love seeing everybody fight with each other. Oh, I love it. That's hilarious. Okay, guys, so for some reason, this ammo box rocket, what we need to do is we need to make this ammo box. We need to unpack it a little bit because I don't think we could put the rockets inside of it. We can, okay. Okay. Let's hit play and see what it looks like. Oh, good. The rockets rotate. Sweet. All right, you know, one of the things that I've been worried about lately is the pickup pivot. The flare start size is a little big, so we're gonna do random between two constants is gonna be 0.1 and then 0.3, and then the alpha between the two colors is gonna drop down significantly. Okay, let's try that out and see how it looks. Man, Law, you're tough as nails. Law is the definition
Of machismo.
Okay, so the alpha isn't working. So we gotta take a look here. And also, obviously, those flares are just they need to be much lower res. Yeah, the alpha's not working, mother effer. So I'm not quite sure. There we go. Oh man, lol, we need a sound effect for you. Let's go to freesound.org. What's that song? Freesound.org. Okay, what's Cowboy Boot? Almost. How about Cowboy Gunshot? Like a bullet whistle.
16.
How about bullet flyby? Spit. Ding. Nope. Cowboy boot is what we're gonna do. Cowboy spur. Cowboy spur. Boots and spurs. Okay, we'll download that and we'll create. All right, so there's that. And then what did you say? You said,
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
here we go.
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
There we go. Okay.
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
All right, we'll go lower.
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
All right. And then harmonica or Western music. There we go. We'll download that sound and just drag it in here.
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
All right. Actually, I would rather it be the Western whistle. Western whistling. Western whistle. Search. And then hey, let's get that there we go. That's fine, I guess. We'll download that.
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
All right, good. And then finally, just a pistol shot. There we go. All right. Just one final one. A horse neigh. Ooh, I like that. Download that. Drag that in. Where is it?
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
Drag that in right there. There it is. Okay, ready?
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
Okay, so now we have a sound effect for Law as he administers justice. So this is going to be Law sound. Okay, I'm going to add that to my soundboard really quick. So we can remove this one. Play audio. And let's choose the file. There it is. Pretty high volume. And we're going to call it Law Sound. We're going to set from file. There we go. Law. Okay, does it work? Alright, it works. Alright, Law. Where are you? Is Law in town? Where's Law? Law, are you here? Did our sheriff just leave town? There he is. Okay. Law, we need you to say something. We need Law to say, justice. Can you say justice is here in caps? I want to try this out. He's not always, you don't always see him. But when Law shows up, justice is administered. There he is.
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
All right, Law, you got your own sound. We'll probably do another one for a few more mods. All right. Who do we want to be banned? Who do we want to ban, though? For some reason, you guys seem upset. Okay, Bensi. Law, can you ban Bensi? And let me know when you do it. Ban Bensi, Law. Let me know, Law, when you've done it. Maybe just give him a timeout. Alright, we got him banned. All right.
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
Why do I like that so much? I don't think I should I? I'm a fan of justice. All right. Sorry, this is just too much fun. It's called exercising power, and I like it. It feels good. Who knows what Mike Tyson said on the Joe Rogan podcast about the powerful feeling of fighting? Does anybody know? Let me know in the chat if you know. Okay, that looks great. Awesome. Yeah. That's right, Born. That's exactly what he said. It was funny. And he was dead serious too. He was like upset about it. All right, let's go ahead and copy this. That's that's not a pistol. That's going to be automatic. Select. Yep, good. Okay, so that's automatic. Let's copy that. Paste it. And we're going to put it over here. More banning. Oh no.
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
Am I encouraging banning? I sure hope not. Probably am. Man, now I know what it's like to be the president. A lot of pressure. All right, let's go ahead and jump on over to these boxes and shells here. And I'm actually going to, what is this? Let's name this ammo box pistol. And it's going to be pistol. And how about 10 rounds? I don't know. We'll balance it out later. We'll drag it in. Prefab variant, there we go. Double click on it, and then inside of the, we're gonna do this. So that's gonna be the shotgun. This is gonna be just the generic ammo box, okay? Whoopsie. Good. So there's our ammo box for, yeah. And then we're gonna open this up inside of Photoshop. Michael Mess wants to borrow my hair. Lag! All right, guys, I gotta head out. This was really, really fun. Please, 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 please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and just hit subscribe, hit like, and hit the notification bell so you get notified of when I'm live again. I will be live streaming again today, but I gotta go get lunch with my papa, okay? So I'm gonna do that. Also, please remember, this is the most important thing. If you guys want a free 2D game kit forever, use it in perpetuity, and you can use it however you like. It's the same game kit I used to make a game for PewDiePie in 14 days and play it on his channel with Felix in front of 5 million subscribers. So if you're, or 5 million viewers. If you're interested, just click below and it's yours right now, totally free. Okay? So be sure to download that. I will be on today. I should be on today. Tonight. Yeah, hit the freaking like. Why don't people like my videos? I'm just kidding. Thank you guys for hanging out. This is always really, really fun.